Hey everybody, I'm Kris. A while ago, we looked at the Braven BRV-1, a rugged, weather-resistant speaker for outdoorsy types. Today, we're looking at the recently released Braven BRV-X. Now, it's bigger, but is it better? Unlike speakers from some other companies, Braven has packed a lot into this box, which looks kind of like a shoebox. Opening it up, you'll find the BRV-X speaker itself, the AC adapter, 3.5mm audio cable, strap, lanyard, and finally, the quick start guide. The AC adapter even comes with a few different swappable power connectors. Phew, that's a lot of stuff. While the box looks like a shoebox, the inside of it smells like you're walking through a sporting goods store. And why not? One look at the BRV-X and it's clear that this speaker is meant to brave the elements, from the aluminum grille to the shock-resistant rubber coating. We're looking at the BRV-X in black with blue highlights, but it's also available in a silvery gray color. As tough as it is, the BRV-X is actually fairly light. Though it's on the larger side, it's light enough to carry almost anywhere. Additionally, the BRV-X is IPX5 certified weather resistant. What does this mean? Basically, the speaker is rated to hold up to a direct stream of water. It isn't meant to be submerged though, at least not for long, so you might want to hold off on giving it a bath. Bluetooth connectivity is fairly easy with the BRV-X. To turn it on, just hold down the power button, then hold down the multifunction button to cause it to start broadcasting. After that, just pair from the device of your choice. Of course, you could also just pair using NFC as well, as long as your device supports it. If you can't or don't want to use Bluetooth, you can also plug in using the included cable. Bluetooth range is pretty good. Braven claims a range of about 33 feet, and I got that easily, including several walls in the way. The BRV-X also features decent speakerphone quality, so if you want to make a conference call from the trail, you're good to go. Braven claims 12 hours of battery life for the BRV-X, and I got over 12 during my testing, though I did have the volume below 50% for a lot of the time. While unlike the BRV-1, you can't charge the BRV-X via USB, you can charge your other devices with the BRV-X. It has a capacity of 5,100 mAh, which can charge a lot of phones out there twice, assuming you're not also using the speaker functionality. This isn't the handiest solution for charging on the go, but if you're carrying the speaker anyway, it's nice to have. In testing the BRV-X, I mainly played music over Bluetooth, since this is how most people will be using it, but I also played lossless FLAC audio over a high-quality audio interface to test at maximum fidelity. In addition to music, I listened to podcasts and audiobooks as well. For a playlist of a few songs I listened to during testing, see the description. The low end on the BRV-X is fairly deep and well-defined for a speaker of this size. Braven has included a subwoofer and port on the bottom, so placing the speaker on a wooden table or even the floor will improve bass response dramatically. Moving into the mid-range, this is the strongest suit of this speaker. There is little to no boxiness here, and in general the mids are fairly clear. Unfortunately, things take a bit of a nosedive moving into the highs. The high end seems hyped, which can lead to a harsh or too bright sound at times, and this is far too common. While the speaker doesn't offer much in the way of stereo spread, it does allow you to pair a second Braven BRV-X and use the two speakers for left-right stereo, which is pretty cool, if a little expensive. On the face of it, the BRV-X seems kind of like a scaled-up BRV-1. When you dig down deeper, well, it's pretty much a scaled-up BRV-1, but that's not a bad thing. No, it's not the best-sounding speaker we've ever heard, but it's feature-packed, and it's tough as all get out. It is a tad on the expensive side at $229, but on the upside, it'll probably last you a while. We're giving the Braven BRV-X an 8 out of 10. And that is all we've got for this one, folks. If you want some more details, we have a written review over at SoundGuys.com. A handy link to the article is down in the video description. Now make sure to subscribe to SoundGuys for all the coolest audio stuff. You can do that by clicking the red box right down below my face. I'm Kris. Thanks for watching.